Hi friends, today we discuss a question on triangle and also a rectangle. Area is also involved. But before that, have a look at this. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Now let me share with you a short story about a friend of mine. So this friend of mine, he was a very smart student. Okay, and because of this, he managed to enter a top school in Singapore. Alright, he did very well for his first major exam. However, he thinks that because he's so smart, right, and he knows many things, he does not need to put in the efforts. And what happened in that top school was that he had to even repeat one of his school years. Why? Because he did not put in the efforts. Alright? If you have talent, if you think you are smart, you need to still work hard. Alright? Or if you think you do not have that giftedness, alright, hard work will definitely help you. Alright? So take note of this. Don't worry too much about talent. Maybe some of you think, I'm not born with this mathematics skills. Don't worry about that. Most people who do well, right? Most people who get their dreams, achieve their dreams, are those people who work hard for it. Okay? Take note of that. Now, let's discuss this question. Okay, so area of rectangle and triangle involved here. The area of rectangle ABCD has an area of 150 square cm. So this one here. A to B to C to D. So basically, when I take this length times the breadth, I will achieve an answer of 150 square cm. XYC is a straight line. So have a look at this blue line. X to Y to C is a straight line. And area of triangle DXY that is given over here in the middle here, 30 square cm. Find the shaded area. Now to do this, we need to first find the area of this triangle. Right? This triangle in blue. Why do I say that? Because we already have 30 there. Okay, we already have 30. So if we are able to find the blue triangle area, we take that minus away 30, we can get a shaded area. Now, how to find the area of the triangle, the blue triangle? Area of triangle XDC. Alright, we all know area of triangle is what? Half times base times height. And the base and the height must be perpendicular. So half times base times height. Okay, please spell it out in full, okay? Height. So half times what? What is the base? The base is here. Get this red laser here. This is the base. What is the height? The height is here. Now, if you realize, the base is actually the length of the rectangle. Right? The base of the triangle is actually the length of the rectangle. The height, over here, look at this. The height of the triangle is actually the breadth. Exactly the same. So basically, these parts here I know. Okay, look at this. Alright? I can change this into the length of the rectangle and the breadth of the rectangle. Again, why is that so? Because as we've mentioned, this base of the blue triangle is the same as this length. The height of the blue triangle is the same as this breadth. So basically, base times height is actually the area of the rectangle, which is 150. Yeah? So that is actually this particular section. So what's half times 150? 75 square cm. And from there, we can find the shaded area. (75) minus away that 30, and we'll get an answer 45 square cm. Okay, final answer for this. And remember this, my friends, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So don't worry if you're not born or not gifted enough. Put in the efforts, you will achieve as well. Thank you very much.